Linggo, Cyrus Dal. At ang ating mga lucky winners from Blood District, Singala Jenna Edwin, Pangol Wilton Edwin, Zapico Jr. Alfeo St. Rose, Moreno Agripino Yelida, Escribano Leonardo Jonesi, Dangao Ali and Oxenia Judith B. Isidro. And our lucky winners from GSE District, Maribeth P. Reymunte, Imelda Sumagaysay, Lovelyn M. Pamona, Delegiro Francisco Lupon Jocelyn, Hagisentri Bustamante, Anami Bustamante, Jeffriel Jantan, and Elba Gomez. And our lucky winners from Quiapa District, Iniba Cristina, Matablao Jessica, Bongoyan Fedrin, Oshones Eleuterio, Muan Alma, Leonard Gabate, and Taka John. And our lucky winners from Annabelle District, Carmontillo Ruben, Rhea May Ayubas, Maray Arsenio, Teturo Jocelyn Francis Herb, Lee J.R. Maricris, Hakosalem Mary Grace B. Rene, and Wildon Ordanesa. And our lucky magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat habang nagla-lunch po tayo at yung mga nanonood sa ating live via Facebook Live. We are now officially back sa ating raffle draw. Ready na ba kayo lahat nanalo? Ready na ba kayo lahat nanalo? Kung ready na, let us now start our raffle draw. Ating raffle coordinators, ready na ba kayo lahat? Okay, thumbs up. Ready na po. Umpisahan na po natin ang ating raffle draw for our first set of prizes. So, ang unang set of prizes po natin ay yung 25 kilos sack of rice. So on your screen, makikita po natin ang ating raffle draw for our GSE 1 and Baluhod District. So each district, meron po tayong 7 lucky winners. And now, our lucky winners from the